This video is all about why I'm starting a business with a mission to empower women in 2020. So you might be thinking, oh no, empowering women, not another crazy feminist. Hold your horses, folks. This has been a long time coming, and it's something that I want to share with you guys because it's going to mean a few little changes for the channel, but more importantly, something really exciting is going to be happening. So have you ever had a creative idea or like a side hustle or a hobby that you would just love to create into a business? And you keep putting it on the back burner and keep forgetting about it, but it always creeps back into your life in some way. Well, that's exactly what I've been going through. Over probably, I say, about the last 5 years since creating this content on YouTube and working my normal job in a construction site, I've always had this thing in the back of my head that I've wanted to create a business and a platform to empower women. And I've never really known how to do it or what exactly it is that I want to do. I know there are others out there like me, and I thought it would be interesting if I can document my journey and you can see what successes I have, what failures I have, and then generally, hopefully, might inspire some of you to start up that new business in 2020. So let me give you a little bit of context. If you don't already know anything about me and this channel, well, I'm a construction worker. I've worked in construction for like 15 years, and I've been a huge advocate of inspiring and helping and supporting other women that might feel underrepresented in their field. I've done this through YouTube, podcasts, blog posts, and public speaking. And whilst on this journey, I've been able to learn so much from other women right across the board, whether they're in an underrepresented field like construction or something else like business. And that's really inspired me. And what I want to do is create a platform. So it's all based on my own experience of like failing and succeeding and just trying to explain that story to people so they can take little bits of nitty gritty out of it and hopefully help themselves with whatever career path that they're on. I've had this motto for like 2 or 3 years, which is she who dares wins. And it's kind of off the basis that I've always just given stuff a go, and 9 times out of 10, it's kind of worked. It's never been without failure, but it has always worked. So I thought, what better than to name this new company, She Who Dares Wins. So I've had businesses in the past, and I actually have a business now, which is my construction side of things. Don't worry, I still am going to be working construction maybe 2 or 3 times a week when all this lockdown's over because, well, that's my day job. At the moment, this business is not generating any revenue. So we are literally at point zero, the starting blocks. Having this time off, being pregnant and also being in lockdown has given me a lot of time to kind of assess, read, write, do a ton of research online and think about past business experiences that I had. The one thing that I knew I had to have with this business was strong beliefs and core values before anything started. And that was really important to me. And over the last couple of years, like I say, I've been building this platform based on my own experience. And the main core has been to empower women and to help and support them, and also to inspire them through the power of storytelling. So I've pretty much just laid out there exactly what the core values of this business is going to be. And I'm hoping that if I stick to those values, then I can reach out to a lot of women, help them, inspire them, and support them. So I hope that makes things a little bit clearer to you guys as to what I'm going to be doing over the next year, as well as giving birth in August. So I'm also going to be documenting on becoming a mom for the second time, as well as starting this new venture and also seeing what happens with my day job in construction. As always, I want to hear from you guys. So if you have anything creative, it doesn't even have to be creative. If you have a business idea that you've been passionate about and you've been ignoring it for years, please go ahead, write in the description. I'd love to know what it is, and I'd love to know how far in that journey you are.